Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Learning English Show. I'm Anna, and this is episode 3. We're so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm John. Anna, I have to ask you, do you remember the last time you stayed at a hotel? Was it a good experience or a stressful one?
Oh, that's a great question. Actually, I stayed at a hotel in Chicago last month, and you know what? The check-in was so smooth because I knew exactly what to say. But I remember when I was younger, hotels felt so intimidating. What about you?
Same here. I think hotels can feel scary when you don't know the right phrases, but once you learn them, it becomes so easy. And speaking of learning, before we start today's lesson, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss our English lessons.
Absolutely. Today, we're going to teach you everything you need to know about English at the hotel. We'll cover checking in, asking important questions, making requests, and even handling problems. By the end of this episode, you'll feel confident staying at any hotel in English.
Perfect. Let's start with the most important part, checking in. When you arrive at a hotel, there are 3 essential phrases you need to know. The first one is, I have a reservation under, followed by your name. For example, I have a reservation under Smith. Let's practice this. Repeat after me. I have a reservation under Smith.
I have a reservation under Smith.
Excellent. The second important phrase is, I'd like to check in. This is perfect if you don't have a reservation or if you want to start the conversation differently. Let's practice. I'd like to check in.
My name is Anna Johnson. You're doing fantastic. These 3 phrases will help you start any hotel conversation confidently.
Now, let's learn the most important questions you'll need to ask at any hotel. First, let's talk about Wi-Fi, something we all need. You can ask, what's the Wi-Fi password? Let's practice that. What's the Wi-Fi password?
Or you can ask, is Wi-Fi free? This is important because some hotels charge for internet. Let's practice. Is Wi-Fi free?
Great! Next, let's talk about breakfast. You can ask, is breakfast included? This means, do I pay extra for breakfast or is it free with my room? Practice. Is breakfast included?
And you can ask, what time is breakfast? This helps you plan your morning. Let's practice. What time is breakfast?
Perfect. Now let's ask about hotel amenities. You can ask, do you have a pool? Let's practice. Do you have a pool?
Is there a gym? This is perfect if you like to exercise.
Great! For services, you can ask, do you have room service? Room service means they bring food to your room. Let's practice. Do you have room service?
Is there parking? This is important if you have a car. Is there parking?
Excellent work! These questions will help you learn everything about your hotel.
Now let's learn how to make special requests for your room. Sometimes you want something specific, and it's okay to ask. You can say, can I have a room with a view? This means you want to see something nice from your window. Let's practice. Can I have a room with a view?
Another great request is, I'd prefer a quiet room. This is perfect if you want to sleep well and avoid noise from the street or other guests. Practice, I'd prefer a quiet room.
Do you have a non-smoking room? Most hotels have both smoking and non-smoking rooms. Let's practice. Do you have a non-smoking room?
And when you're already in your room, you can call the front desk and ask, "Can I get an extra pillow?" Or, "Can I get an extra towel?" Let's practice both. Can I get an extra pillow?
Can I get an extra towel?
Perfect! Remember, hotel staff want to help you have a great stay, so don't be afraid to ask for what you need.
Now let's learn what to say when there's a problem. Sometimes things don't work perfectly in hotels, and that's okay. You just need to know how to ask for help. If the internet isn't working, you can say, "The Wi-Fi isn't working." Let's practice. The Wi-Fi isn't working.
The air conditioning is broken.
Sometimes hotels are big and confusing. If you're lost, you can say, "I can't find my room." This is very common, don't worry. Practice, "I can't find my room."
And the most important phrase when you have any problem is, "Can you help me?" Hotel staff are there to help you, so this phrase is perfect for any situation. Let's practice. Can you help me?
Remember, hotel problems are normal, and the staff expect to help you solve them. Don't be embarrassed to ask for help.
Now it's time for the fun part. Let's practice with realistic roleplay scenarios. Anna will be the hotel guest and I'll be the hotel employee. Scenario 1. A standard check-in with questions about amenities. Good evening. Welcome to the Grand Hotel. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a reservation under Johnson.
Perfect. I found your reservation. You're staying for 3 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right. I have a few questions. Is Wi-Fi free?
Absolutely. Wi-Fi is complimentary throughout the hotel.
Great. And is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included. We serve from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the restaurant on the first floor.
Perfect. Do you have a gym?
We do. The fitness center is open 24 hours on the second floor.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Great example. Now let's try scenario 2, a problem situation. Anna has a problem with her room. Front desk, this is Mike. How can I help you?
Hi, Mike. I'm in room 315 and the air conditioning isn't working. Can you help me?
I'm so sorry about that. I'll send maintenance to your room right away. They should be there in about 10 minutes.
Thank you so much. Also, can I get an extra pillow?
Of course. I'll have housekeeping bring one to your room along with the maintenance person.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
Excellent. One more quick scenario. Asking about hotel services. Good morning. How can I assist you today?
Good morning. Do you have room service?
Yes, we do. Room service is available from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m.
Great. And is there parking?
Yes, we have a parking garage. It's $15 per night for hotel guests.
Perfect. Thank you for the information.
Fantastic work today. Let's quickly review the most important phrases. I have a reservation under, is Wi-Fi free? Can you help me? Remember, hotel staff want to make your stay perfect, so don't hesitate to ask questions.
You now have all the tools you need for a successful hotel stay in English. Thank you for joining us for episode 3 of the Learning English Show. Don't forget to save this episode for the next time you travel and subscribe to our channel to never miss an episode.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and we'll see you in our next episode.